Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a Waze. So all you have to do now, open your Waze or install first from Play Store. It's free app, and you have to use Waze. You have to turn on your device location and also give Waze access to your precise location. To continue and then tap allow while using this app. Here we go, this is the Waze you are ready to use. Just tap on where to. For example, you can save your location, your favorite location. You can go to nearby gas station, a nearby restaurant, parking, groceries, and more. For example, let's try to search the groceries, and Waze will search you the nearby groceries from your actual or precise location here. For example, let's try open the Lotte Mart, and you can call. This is based on Google. There's an opening hour, so detailed here. Just tap on few routes, and here we go. You can go now, calculating route, and this is how you can use Waze. Similar with a Google Maps, but this Waze is like more feature on it. Even you can plan a drive, you can chat, and also get direction from tennis legend Roger Federer. He will give you a voiceover on this app. And try to use this Waze for more feature than Google Map. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.